What's going on, guys? Nick from Freak Out Fitness here. Now, today's video is going to be on a topic that I get asked quite a bit, and that is gym motivation. How do you stick to keep going to the gym? How do you sticking to a nutrition plan? Now, this is my little secret that I like to tell myself mentally, and the big secret is you're just too invested to give up now. Now, personally, I'm over a year into my fitness journey with dieting and going to the gym. Now, I tell myself that I'm too invested to give up. I put in too much effort. All those hours I spent really hard working at the gym, all those times I went to a restaurant and I ordered something that was on my meal plan other than something that I wanted to get. You know, why would I waste all of that in just a couple of days by not sticking to it and not going to the gym than to give in and keep going to the gym? You know, even on the days you don't want to go to the gym, you need to. You need to push, you need to grind, you need to tell yourself that you've worked too hard, no matter if you're only a week into your fitness journey or you're 5 years into your fitness journey. The day you take off and the day you don't want to go, you need to tell yourself you're too invested to give up now. You put in too much time, you put in too many hours, you sacrificed too much already just to give up. You need to keep going, you need to keep pushing, you need to keep grinding. The more you put into it, the more you're going to get out. Now, I'm not telling you to slash your calories and slash all your micro and macronutrients, but what I'm telling you is the more you stick to your nutrition plan, the more you weigh out your food, the more you track it on your FitnessPal, the more you push yourself in the gym, the more results you're going to get. Now, honestly, the more you put into it, the more you're going to get out. I see a lot of people that go to the gym, they don't really follow through on the nutrition plan, they're kind of open-ended, and they're not really seeing the results that somebody that was going to the gym and sticking to a nutrition plan and sticking to weighing out their food and following it precisely to their results. So if you compare the two, the one that is sticking to their nutrition plan and sticking to their gym routine is seeing a lot better results. I guarantee it. I'm telling you, nutrition is big. All these times you put in, you need to stick to what you've been doing. You've given too much up just to give up now. So the next time you're feeling like you don't want to go to the gym or you don't want to stick to your nutrition plan, you need to think to yourself, did I lose, 70 pounds, 80 pounds just to give up now? Did I spend all those hours in the gym just to give up now? Think about it. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I have an Instagram and Facebook, and the links are down below. Have an awesome day.